Key legislative changes in Australia. Migration laws, social media ban, and more. In a marathon Senate session, Australia passed over 30 bills addressing migration, online safety, and economic reforms. These changes include controversial migration laws and a new social media ban for under-16s. Let's dive into these pivotal updates and their implications. Topics discussed in today's video update. Migration law changes and new powers. Social media ban for under-16s. Economic reforms and green energy initiatives. And we'll also talk about the anti-money laundering and justice updates. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Don't miss out on authentic immigration updates. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and share our videos with your friends and family on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X. Let's resume the video and tell you about the migration law changes and new powers. The Australian government passed 3 major migration bills granting sweeping powers. Offshore detention expansion. Authorities can pay third countries to house non-citizens, even without their participation in the Refugee Convention. Criminal penalties for deportation resistance. Non-citizens refusing deportation may face prison sentences of 1 to 5 years. Detention facility oversight. Powers to search and confiscate items like phones were expanded. Refugee and asylum groups criticised these laws, calling them discriminatory and harmful to Australia's humanitarian image. What's the social media ban for under-16s? A hotly debated law bans social media use for children under 16. While aimed at improving online safety, critics raised concerns about practicality and privacy. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are affected, though messaging apps like WhatsApp are exempt. Questions about age verification remain unanswered, with fears over the potential need for identity checks. Let's now talk about the economic reforms and green energy initiatives. Significant economic reforms included: Build-to-Rent Bill. Incentives for constructing rental properties, addressing housing shortages. Future Made in Australia Act. A $23 billion initiative with $13.7 billion in tax incentives for green hydrogen and critical minerals. These measures underscore Australia's commitment to sustainability and economic resilience. There was an anti-money laundering and justice updates. New laws extended anti-money laundering obligations to sectors like law, accounting, and real estate. Other changes strengthened justice measures, including penalties for doxing with up to 7 years in prison. Conclusion of today's video update. Australia's legislative session introduced wide-ranging changes, from stricter migration policies to bolstered economic and online safety measures. While many see these as steps toward progress, critics argue that some laws risk infringing on freedoms and humanitarian principles. These developments will undoubtedly shape Australia's social and economic landscape in the years to come. We've reached the end of our video. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to today's update.